हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ आग एक्सक्लूसिव। मेरा नाम है शहजाद और आज एक्सक्लूसिव में हमारे पास हैं एक ऐसी गेस्ट जिनके पहले सॉन्ग से ही शी अचीव्ड सो मच फेम। आई मीन दिस हैपेंड इन 2005 की बात है और जो कहते हैं कि इंस्टेंट फेम एंड फ्रॉम देयर ऑन शी नेवर स्टॉप्ड। इन्होंने टूर किया हुआ है राइट अक्रॉस इंग्लैंड, राइट अक्रॉस पाकिस्तान। इनके ट्रैवल्स इनको बहुत जगहों पे लेके गए हुए हैं एंड आज वे लकी इनफ टू हैव दिस लवली लेडी विद अस। हमारे पास है द लवली एनी खालिद। एनी कैसी हैं आप?
ठीक ठाक, आप कैसे हैं?
आई एम वेरी वेल। इज इट एनी खालिद और इज इट प्रिंसेस एनी? स्टेज नेम क्या है आपका?
इट्स एनी खालिद, लेकिन जो फैंस हैं वो प्रिंसेस कहते हैं, प्रिंसेस एनी और यू नो प्रिंसेस जस्ट बाय इटसेल्फ। And I think that's because जब पहली एल्बम रिलीज हुई थी उसका नाम था प्रिंसेस।
Yes.
And it was because प्रिंसेस के साथ नीचे एनी लिखा हुआ था, which is my name. People assumed it was Princess Annie. But actually, Princess was the name of the album.
Actually, right.
My name is Annie. So, you know, they kind of just put it together. I don't mind either way, but I'm actually Annie Khalid.
आपका असल नाम क्या है?
नूरुलैन।
अच्छा, वाओ, माशाल्लाह। Why आप नूरुलैन के साथ क्यों नहीं आए?
बचपन से I think because I was brought up in England and everything. वहाँ पे भी you know it's just a very English name as well. So एन से एनी है और आपको भी पता होगा कि जितनी लड़कियों का नाम नूरुलैन होता है या कुरुतलैन होता है उनको पेट नेम एनी ही कहते हैं. So, you know, it just stuck, and ever since I was a kid till today, everyone calls me Annie. Even my parents, my friends, you know, everybody. So.
I mean, I'll tell you what, one of my friends in London, उनका असल नाम है यावर अब्बास सईद और उनका nickname है Kaz. And I'm thinking,
Kaz.
how does यावर अब्बास सईद translate?
Yeah, no, that doesn't
Kaz?
really, does it?
Musical sound, music.
Yeah.
क्या है आपकी musical sound? कौन सा ऐसा आर्टिस्ट है जो कि आप कहती कि भाई मैं इनकी तरह हूँ?
इनकी तरह I think मैं किसी की तरह नहीं हूँ because I don't you know strive or aspire to be just like someone.
आपके म्यूजिक साउंड चेंज भी हुई? You were mainly पहले आप R&B थी, अब आप थोड़ा हाउस म्यूजिक की तरफ भी आई हैं?
But house music I think एक genre है जो यहाँ टच नहीं हुआ I mean properly. And I think through Urdu lyrics as well मैं चाह रही हूँ कि house music को मैं like further करूँ. But शुरू से it was always pop. Mera music, you know, I'm not going to you know, pretend to be something I'm not and say, you know, I'm all this and that. But the truth is, I'm a commercial artist. I like commercial music. Commercial music sells. Mahia was extremely cheesy, but it sold and people loved it.
So you admit it was extremely cheesy.
Of course it was cheesy, but cheesy is good.
Cheesy is good.
Yes.
आपकी पैदाइश लाहौर में ही हुई?
जी, I was born in Lahore.
And then you migrated to England?
Yeah, we were kids. I was in my mum's lap. I was about 5 months, I guess, when we went and been there ever since.
तो ये क्यों? इंग्लैंड जाने का आपकी फैमिली का फैसला क्यों था? Was it for a better life? Yeah.
Actually, Dad was obviously a doctor, you know, and he was obviously doing. आपको पता है when you're a doctor, there's so many different stages and phases you have to go through. So then he went to England, and you know, obviously, you know, he was starting off as a doctor. So I mean, I guess for a better life, which is you know the typical reason. And also they had us in mind. We were all kids growing up. They wanted you know the best for us, and I think that's why.
वो चाहते थे कि नूरुलैन भी एक दिन डॉक्टर नूरुलैन बने?
my dad हाँ वो चाहते हैं वो लेकिन बहुत disappoint होंगे because हुए हैं because कोई भी नहीं है. Nobody's a doctor. हमारे चार we have 4 kids in our family. Mashallah, we've got 2 boys, 2 girls. I'm one of the girls, and none of us are doctors, and none of us want to be. And you know, he kind of upsets him, but you know, he takes it with a pinch of salt.
आपके जो भाई हैं, भाई लोग कैसे? भाई possessive हैं अपनी बहन के बारे में?
Oh yes. They are very. Even the little one, although he's 19, he's my little baby, and you know, his name's Hamza, and he is the apple of my eye. I mean, I just adore him to bits. I've got no words for him, and he's the kind of brother who's very kind of protective of me. You know, me being his big sis, although you know he's 4 years younger to me, but you know he still has that thing. You know, he's mashallah very mature for his age, and also my elder brother is just a year elder to me, so that we don't have much of a gap between us. And my sister's 2 years elder to me, so I mean we're very kind of close knit. And that said, my sister's very, very protective of me too, and oh gosh, they're all protective of me, which is why I kind of try not to let them know what's really going on, you know, because if they'll just take their I don't know, ammunition and run to the, you know how it is.
क्योंकि what happens on tour stays on tour.
Absolutely.
कुछ जो आपने jobs की हुई हैं in England इससे पहले कि आप Annie बनी, Annie Princess बनी, Annie Khalid बनी, इससे पहले what were some of the odd jobs जो कि आपने की हुई हैं?
To be honest with you, मैंने आज तक कोई job नहीं की. Because honestly, मैं बहुत spoiled थी.
Good for you, good for you.
बहुत spoiled थी और I guess हूँ और थी तब भी थी. I mean, जो कुछ चाहिए था पता था मम्मा पापा हैं कुछ काम करने की. लेकिन जब मुझे याद है when I was about 15, 16. No, I think I was 14. All of my friends were doing part-time jobs, and I went to a girls' school. So all of my girlfriends were just, doing part-time jobs. And although I didn't need to do it, I wanted to do it because everyone else was doing it. And I remember it was Ramadan, and everybody was fasting. And I got a job in this corner shop that was selling churiyan, bangles. Because I lived in a very desi area. I live in Essex now, but I used to live in East Ham. So we were in a very desi area, and we had so many Pakistanis and Bangladeshis and Indians. And वहाँ पे एक चूड़ियों की दुकान थी जहाँ पे चूड़ियाँ मिलती थी, जहाँ पे necklaces मिलते थे, rings मिलती. और मैं वहाँ पे कोने पे खड़ी होती थी. I used to get like about, the minimum wage is about £3 an hour or something. But I felt very like independent in that sense, and so I remember doing that. But that was just for like 2 weeks.
Sorry. Cat fights. Have you ever been? Actually, by the way, let me clear this.
Yeah.
कि cat fight बुरी चीज नहीं है. I love cat fights. I mean, दो लड़के लड़ रहे हों तो I'll go and stop them. एक लड़का और एक लड़की लड़ रहे हों, I'll definitely go and stop them. But if they're two girls fighting, it's like, nee, guys, hold on. We have to watch this. This is brilliant. Have you been in a cat fight?
I don't know what to say to that, honestly. I mean, you're the first person well, you're a guy, so obviously, I mean, I don't know how you see that, but no, I've never. There was this time I was very naughty in school. I was a very naughty girl, and there was this time when I, was walking across the bridge. We had a bridge in our school that was in between both buildings, and it was a bridge that was kind of very wide in width, and it was, we had girls coming and going to classes. It was so packed during school days, school timings that, we were shoulder to shoulder. So we used to do silly things like, we're all rushing to our classes and I just push a girl and be like, oh, who pushed you? And then, and then me and my friends...
Whatever.
Exactly. We cut their hair or cut their bags from back or cut whatever that we could cut. And there was this time when I pushed this girl and she was very heavy and I pushed her and I looked away like, I didn't push you. And then she saw and she didn't say anything to me. But then on the way home, I was going home and then all of a sudden somebody pushes me from the back and I turn around and I look and then it's her. And yeah, when we got into a cat fight in the middle of the street and that was very bad because it was outside my school. And the thing with her was what she did the next day was she brought like her mom, her sister, her cousins, her aunties. They were all outside the school waiting for me. And one of my friends, we just finished art class and one of my friends ran downstairs and she was like, she came back up into class and said, Annie, do not go downstairs. That girl's brought her whole family. So I remember that. But we sorted it out with the headmistress.
I'll tell you what, more power to women. More power to Annie. हम इधर है आगे exclusive में. We are with the lovely Annie Khalid. We're going into a little break. Stay tuned. This is AG Exclusive. जी वेलकम बैक आगे एक्सक्लूसिव में माय नेम इज शहजाद और मेरे साथ आज बैठी हुई हैं द लवली नूरुलैन एनी खालिद सॉरी आई लाइक सेइंग नूरुलैन इट्स बहुत प्यारा नाम है।
I don't respond to it.
कैट फाइट्स की बात है। आप क्या हैं? आप पाकिस्तानी हैं, आप अंग्रेज हैं, आप क्या हैं?
मैं पाकिस्तानी।
ओके बट एक किस्म का लाइक डुअल नेशनैलिटी वाला सीन चल रहा है।
I'm a British पाकिस्तानी। लेकिन मैं जिधर भी जाती हूँ लोग जब पूछते हैं कि आप कहाँ से हो, मैं ये नहीं कहती कि मैं ब्रिटिश पाकिस्तानी हूँ, I'm from England or anything. I always say मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ because I believe that I myself, just like you and everyone else, we're all ambassadors for our country when we go abroad. And it's just all about giving a positive image of our country. And if we all do our individual effort, तो हम as a whole एक अच्छा image कर सकते हैं।
जहाँ तक like dual nationality की बात है, I mean someone like आमिर खान जो बॉक्सर हैं, वो एक क्योंकि उनके जो रूट्स हैं वो पाकिस्तानी है, लेकिन he's an Englishman, he's born and bred in England. तो वो जिस तरह हैंडल करते हैं like यूनियन जैक का फ्लैग रख लिया उन्होंने ब्रिटेन का और ग्रीन कलर का उन्होंने वो जो ट्रंक्स बॉक्सिंग ट्रंक्स वो पहन ली. Have you had any ideas कि भाई मैं पाकिस्तान को भी represent करूं और मैं made in England भी represent करूं?
मैंने किया है ना अभी जो मैंने obviously आमिर की तरह तो नहीं वो करूँगी और वो सारा because that's his own thing. But you know, I did that जो मैंने अभी duet किया है with Judge Jules.
Absolutely.
You know, that was me telling the world कि मैं British भी हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तानी भी हूँ. And I think ये एक plus point है because आप दोनों communities के बीच में एक actual bridge बनते हैं. Because अगर आपने ज़िंदगी यहाँ पे भी गुजारी और वहाँ पे भी गुजारी है, आपसे अच्छा और कौन है जो compare कर सकता है? You know, you're able to tell the differences, you're able to, you know, perhaps clear people's misconceptions. And I think ये जो Jules के साथ जो गाना किया था, I think firstly एक बहुत बड़ा honor था मेरे लिए. But secondly, you know, it was also a chance to kind of let people know that, you know, I'm Pakistani. But because when I was in Ibiza for the shoot, we did one of the shoots in Spain. In Club Eden, and वहाँ पे when people met me वो पूछते थे अच्छा आप कहाँ की हो कहाँ से आए हो जब मैं कहती थी पाकिस्तान तो फिर इतनी eyebrows raise होती थी कि पाकिस्तान से अच्छा आप पाकिस्तान में सब आपकी तरह ड्रेस करते हैं पाकिस्तान में सब आपकी तरह बोलते हैं पाकिस्तान में लोग औरतें are they independent do they work you know and I mean although yes we are a very male dominated society
बिल्कुल
but at the same time we have choices we have our opinions we voice them you know. So ये conceptions, misconceptions, preconceived notions in लोगों के, I just wanted to clear those. So I think with Jules and the song "Be My Baby," I did try and do that.
ये जो आपका track है, इसके बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे. Mahia was the essential breakthrough hit.
Yeah.
ठीक, that was like overnight hit. The story behind it कि आप घर में बैठी हुई थी, आप एक क्या धुन गुनगुना रही थी, किसी ने आपको सुना और कहा कि hey, that's
किसी ने एक demo सुनाया था, basically my lyricist Raju, who's also in a band called R&B. तो राजू ने एक डेमो छोटा सा बनाया था like 2 minute clip था 2 minute का भी नहीं था I think 30 seconds का था I liked it I fell in love with it so I got that and kind of just you know my dad convinced me to add some English into it so I had already this poem
but your dad wanted you to be a doctor और वो आपको like रोक नहीं रहे थे इस साइड पे जाते हुए
to be honest he never wanted me to be a doctor पापा और मम्मा का ये था कि मतलब हम जो मर्जी करें they never, you know, forced themselves on us. We all had the you know, the choice and the option to do जो भी हम चाहते थे. So जब वो मेरे parents ऐसे हैं कि वो उनको जब उनको पता है कि you know one of their kids wants to do something, be it me, Maria, Hassan, Hamza, any one of us, they just push us. They're behind us 100%. So उनकी support थी और फिर ये गाना बना और जब ये गाना बना तो मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि मतलब ये होना है मेरे साथ और एकदम से लोग I mean I was shocked the first time when I heard it in someone's car and I couldn't believe my ears and you won't believe how excited I was I wanted to just jump and scream and all of that and then after that you know I started to say bushfire की तरह था just spread all over and then mashallah I'm here
mashallah ये this was आप इसे define करेंगी as instant fame
to be honest yes
कैसा what is the experience of instant fame जिस बंदे ने नहीं experience की what's
instant fame is जब आप कोई गाना करते हो और वो मतलब it's an overnight success तो वो एकदम से ही लोगों के दिमाग लोगों के lips पे लोग you know people are humming it singing it it's on TV and I think the point where I realized that you know okay I'm doing well was when ये release भी नहीं हुआ था और लोगों ने pirated मतलब जो video से you know rip करके audio को जो sell कर रहे थे pirately तो वो you know Indian actresses की शक्लें लगा के CDs जो भेज रहे थे वो I think that was the point where I thought okay I've made it I've made it और कैसी है वो feeling there's nothing like it I mean I can't there's no word to explain it's just a high that you know it's just an amazing high it's beautiful
आपका ये obviously Bollywood में भी गया and Bollywood का क्या experience रहा आपका
I always get asked this question and लोग कहते हैं कि बताएं आप compare करें दोनों को you know obviously India में ज़्यादा आपको you know fit होगा आपके लिए ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा but honestly experience दोनों countries में एक जैसा है
by दोनों countries you mean Pakistan
yeah Pakistan और India में I think the process because मैंने वहाँ जाके क्या किया I recorded the song and we did a video and that's as simple as I mean we didn't you know they didn't use any extra cameras or any you know special like gold plated I don't know lenses it was everything was just how it is here the only difference is that Bollywood is such a massive medium that it just penetrates into every Desi household all over the world. And see, maybe with Pakistani music and movies, we're not able to do as much as obviously they do. With Bollywood, obviously now it's bigger than Hollywood. So, you know...
Bilkul, I mean, it's not just Desi households, like Arabs love Bollywood. Arabs love Sheila.
Wow.
They can't get enough of her. Pakistan, the whole experience of Pakistan, क्योंकि obviously आपको इधर भी अपने आप को एक किस्म का adjust करना पड़ा. Adjust is a word. Was it a culture shock for you जब आप इधर आके मुसलसल आपने अपना इधर एक घर में आप रहना शुरू हुई पाकिस्तान में, एक culture shock था आपके लिए?
You know, in retrospect, yes. You know, I've been, obviously, I'm Pakistan में इतना नहीं आती थी, obviously 2 दफ़ा साल में तो trip लगता था, but that was during Christmas and Easter holidays.
वो आप उन trips को look forward करती थी या आप कहती थी कि नहीं यार
नहीं मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ, मैं I'm a true and through patriot. I love my country to bits, you know, and वो तो मतलब इतने हम excited होते थे, you know, हम कहते थे हमने कहीं और नहीं जाना, we don't want to go Spain, we don't want to go Italy, we want to go Pakistan because we love Pakistan. And I think mom and dad, because वो चाहते थे कि हम अपने roots से intact रहें, तो वो हमें हमेशा like जब भी मौका मिलता था हम आते थे यहाँ पे. Obviously this holiday home was made specifically for that reason.
Actually, this is a holiday home.
This is basically a holiday, which I live in now because, you know, it's convenient. But, you know, the whole point of this house was to come and visit and have our own place to stay. Instead ke nani ke ghar, dada dadi, you know, because family is kind of big and everything. So, but initially culture shock tha. But, you know, I'm the kind of person, nobody's forcing me to do this. I want to do it because मैं खुद चाहती हूँ. तो फिर आप adjust हो जाते हो.
पाकिस्तान बहुत well represented है UK में, Manchester, Birmingham, London.
We do have a lot of
मेलाज में भी जाएं, मेलाज में आपको इतने पाकिस्तानी flags नजर आते हैं, किसी और मुल्क के नहीं नजर आते होंगे. Do you also feel कि भाई ये मेरा घर है, you know, मेरी community में? हाँ.
बिल्कुल. और जो वहाँ के जो है ना पाकिस्तानी, वो ज़्यादा patriotic हैं. I don't know if you've noticed.
यार वो हैं, देखो I agree with you, वो हैं, लेकिन majority of them, और मैंने आपसे ये सवाल यही पूछा कि आप उन ट्रिप्स को लुक फॉरवर्ड करती थी, majority of them जब पाकिस्तान आते हैं वो इधर से भागना चाहते हैं. ये जो पेट्रियोटिज्म है ना, ये एक इल्यूजन है उनके जहन में. It's not, it's के हाँ पाकिस्तान, they have something to stand with, they have something to scream with, but it's not real. Real तो उस बंदे की पेट्रियोटिज्म है जो इधर रह के, इधर के सैलाब, इधर के मर्डर्स में रह के, वो फिर भी कह रहा है यार I love Pakistan.
100%, I so agree with you.
You know?
ये definition है, true patriot की बिल्कुल.
But I can't judge anyone. Best of luck to them. I hope वो भी पाकिस्तान आए और वो भी महसूस करें वो सब.
नहीं लेकिन I think media में भी काफी scare करते हैं हमारे जो हमारे अपने लोग जो हैं. लेकिन मुझे गुस्सा आता है, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है जब even कभी-कभार जो मेरे दोस्त हैं वहाँ के कहते हैं, you know, पाकिस्तान है कि oh I don't like it here, it's so dusty and it's so dirty and everyone smells and I'm like, dude, well if you don't like it, why are you here? You could have gone to America or India, you know, you don't have to come here. Nobody's putting a gun on your head. So it does kind of irritate me because they know they love it, you know, they know they love Pakistan, but they just want to act all bad. So anyway, kudos to them.
आप पाकिस्तान में कभी किसी public transport की बस पे बैठी हैं?
जी, मैं रिक्शे पे बैठी हूँ, मैं रिक्शे पे और मैं वैगन पे भी बैठी हूँ.
Oh wow, कौन से नंबर वैगन पे?
मुझे नहीं पता कौन सा था.
Maybe it's the same one. I don't know.
I don't know कौन सा था. वो I was with my खाला and my सबसे बड़ी खाला है कोले किकी लाला. I was with किकी लाला and मारिया के साथ ही जो मेरी बहन है और उनकी गाड़ी खराब हो गई. फिर वैगन पे बैठना पड़ा.
आप क्या फ्रंट सीट पे बैठी?
नहीं मैं फ्रंट पे नहीं बैठी, मैं उस वैगन के अंदर उन्होंने थोड़ा सा किया हुआ होता है लड़कियों के लिए ना, थोड़ा सा साइड पे, तो मैं उस साइड पे बैठी थी.
और चिंची में कभी बैठी हैं?
चिंची मतलब रिक्शा जो होता है लेकिन पीछे से जो खुला होता है.
हाँ वो जो खुला होता है बिल्कुल.
नहीं मुझे मगर मैं बैठी मुझे बहुत हंसी आए. I don't know how people can sit on it and you know just have a straight face.
We are here with the lovely Annie Khalid. Stay with us. लौट के आएंगे, इनसे पूछेंगे और सवाल about her music and a brand new song as well जो कि आ रहा है here on ARG Exclusive. वेलकम बैक इन आग एक्सक्लूसिव. हमारे पास हैं एनी खालिद जो कि अभी लाहौर में हैं. इनके टूर्स भी आने वाले हैं जिनके बारे में हम इनसे बात करेंगे. एनी आपने स्पीकिंग ऑफ पहले बॉलीवुड की बात हो रही थी, आपने वैसे भी कुछ एक्टिंग की हुई है?
Oh please मुझे उसका remind
बताए ना,
करो,
बल्कि
oh my
उसका
God.
क्लिप ढूंढे,
No,
वो
no,
कैसे
no,
चलाते
no,
हैं।
please, no.
Come on.
That's so bad. No, you can't do that to me.
I'm sorry. क्या बताओ, क्या acting की थी
Okay,
आपने?
it was a favor. You know, I think in the industry, Uncle Shoaib Alam is very well known. Everybody, all the artists know Shoaib Alam, and he's a very good dear uncle of mine. One of my dad's best friends. And you know, उनके friend का कोई drama serial था.
Sorry.
Oh God, painful memory. I don't even want to think about it. It was during Ramzan, and I had just started. I think Mahi had just kicked off, or it was about to kick off.
सही.
And you know, he said to dad कि Annie के लिए एक बहुत fit role है, वो लड़की बाहर से आती है, और उसका नाम पता नहीं क्या था, Rimsha or something. Oh my gosh. Oh, flashbacks,
Go on.
And I had to play that role. God, it was terrible. Firstly, तो इतनी भूख लग रही थी रोज़ों में, ऊपर से ड्रामे का मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि जब आप शूट करते तो आपको इतना वेट करना पड़ता है किसी और का सीन चल रहा है. And I'm the kind of girl, I'm like, yo, do my scene right now. They're like, who do you think you are, miss? Sit down, you know.
Whatever.
Yeah, they're like, sit down. Who do you think you are? You ain't no star. I was like, oh shit, you know. So are you gonna beep that out?
I think we will.
So you know, that was just a very, and then ऊपर से उर्दू में बोलना और वो सारा करना, और उस वक्त तो अब तो मेरी बहुत अच्छी उर्दू हो गई है, तब तो मुझे इतनी टूटी फूटी आती थी, और फिर वो ऊपर से इतने मुश्किल वर्ड्स और डायलॉग्स कहने पड़ते थे, एंड तौबा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह, तो कभी दोबारा नहीं करूँगी मैंने नहीं करना.
Wow, I mean,
मैंने नहीं करना.
अच्छा, कोई वैसे उसमें कोई लाइन आपको याद है जो आपकी?
नहीं, you know, that's painful, don't even ask me.
Okay, back to music.
Okay, thank you.
Tell me कुछ artists के नाम बताएं जो कि आप बचपन से सुनती आ रही हैं, जो कि आप जिनसे आपने प्यार किया हो, जिनसे आपने relate किया हो उन artist के साथ.
First and foremost would be Miss Britney Spears.
अच्छा, सही.
I love her. I've definitely always kind of looked up to her ever since, as an entertainer, as an artist, as a performer. I think she's beautiful. And aside from Britney, you know, I've always been very influenced by the pop culture of the late 90s. So I'm talking about, you know, like towards 97, 98, 99, 2000, early 2000. You know, the music that was around then, I think that was real pop music.
Okay.
Now we've got all the in the club, we're in the skirts, and the, you know, and all the dropping the brand names. Back in the day, pop music wasn't like that. Pop music was real pop music.
I'm talking about Michael Jackson and
I'm talking
Spice
about
Girls.
Spice Girls. Oh man, I love the Spice Girls. Still do. I still listen to the Spice Girls. And
Abhi करते हैं वो?
They did reunite for one last tour, and that was, I think, last year, 2009. I can't remember. But no, they're no more anymore. They're done.
Spice Girls में से आपकी favorite कौन है?
Back in the day, you know, my hair was really short and had an afro, so it was Scary Spice.
Mel B.
But I liked all of them.
But Victoria Beckham is from Essex, जहाँ से आप हैं.
Apparently so, and apparently Melanie C was as well from somewhere. Oh no, that was 5. Do you remember 5?
New. Oh yes, I do.
You do? How can you not remember 5?
Yeah.
I love 5. A1, 5. You know, who else? What about Savage Garden? Beautiful.
Aussie
Savage Garden were beautiful, and people like that. You know, that was the kind of music. J Lo had just started out with "If You Had My Love" in her first album, and then there was NSYNC, and there was Backstreet Boys, and you know, that was good music.
सही. जहाँ तक पाकिस्तानी music का बात है, कौन से artist पाकिस्तानी हैं जिन्होंने आपको inspire किया?
You know, जितने भी अभी जो artists हैं सारे, I think, I'm not going to be very, you know, diplomatic or whatever. I'm just going to be honest with you. I like all of them. I think they're all, you know, I think we have such a rich kind of, you know, if our music industry was a bouquet of flowers, we'd have every type of flower, because every artist brings something new to the table. But, you know, I think when it comes to legends, although I don't listen to her music much, but somebody that I just, every time she's on TV, I just have to watch is Abda Parveen.
Oh, wow.
You know, just something about her. I think she's great. And aside from Abda, somebody that is a good friend of mine, also a living legend, you know, the only rock star in the country, hands down, Ali Azmat.
Absolutely.
And I think, you know, the rest of them, I all want to be, there's only one rock star, and that's Ali Azmat.
अब बात हुई एसेक्स की भी as well. एक term होता है, क्योंकि आपका ताल्लुक बाद में एसेक्स से हुआ, एक term होता है एसेक्स गर्ल.
Yeah.
इसका मतलब आप बताएं क्या?
आप बताएं, आपको क्या?
नहीं, आप बताएं.
अच्छा, कि एसेक्स गर्ल का ना एक उन्होंने preconceived एक idea है कि एसेक्स गर्ल जो होती है, she's a chav, a so-called chav, which means a very typical English.
और एक बहुत dodgy खातून.
Yeah, very dodgy. And बहुत सारा orange makeup होता है, bronzer and tanned and you know, hair that just the color of your hair that does not match with your skin, and loads of makeup. And I'm not one of those.
Whatever.
Yeah, no, I don't even talk like that.
अच्छा, अब हम थोड़ी बात करते हैं about R&B music. R&B music जहाँ से आपकी शुरुआत हुई, जो कि आपने.
Do you think Mahia था R&B?
I think it was a long pop and
आपको क्या
R&B.
लगता है कि कौन से genre में आता था Mahia?
मेरे ख्याल में mixture of pop and R&B.
Okay.
अगर हम कुछ आर्टिस्ट की बात करें, अगर हम अमेरिकन म्यूजिक और यूके म्यूजिक को कंपेयर करें, ठीक, अगर हम अमेरिकन आर्टिस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम बात करें अबाउट पीपल लाइक रियाना, अशर, ब्लैक आइड पीस, कान्ये वेस्ट. अगर हम ब्रिटिश आर्टिस्ट की बात करें, कुछ R&B उनके आर्टिस्ट लाइक प्लान बी, एस्टेल, लमार, क्रेग डेविड. लेकिन ये जो ब्रिटिश नाम है, ये कहीं करीब भी नहीं आते हैं जो अमेरिकन इनके काउंटर पार्ट्स हैं. वो क्यों ब्रिटिश R&B इतना सक्सेसफुल क्यों नहीं है, हालांकि इतना टैलेंट है उधर.
Yeah, I do agree. I really like Lamar. I think Craig David or artist जो आपने mention किए हैं. I don't know. See, it's always about America, isn't it? हर artist चाहता है कि वो America को break through करे, because America main market तो America है.
और Craig David ने किया था. He did पहले album के साथ.
I don't know if you remember, लेकिन Joss Stone उसने भी किया था. Leona Lewis ने भी किया था. See, honestly, it's a really tricky question. I don't know, because every artist wants वो चाहते हैं कि वो break करे America को. And when Be My Baby was released in England, तो जो you know, it was mentioned in a lot of the newspapers and, you know, a lot of the music magazines, and you know, it was I got such an amazing response, and I was actually compared to people. The song उस वक्त जो singles निकल रही थी, Be My Baby था, Rihanna का भी गाना था, Cheryl Cole का भी था, was in that list. And you know, and it was amazing. The critics had just, you know, really kind of praised the track. So, I mean, I was honored to be in that list, but I'm unable to answer your question. I don't know what to say.
No worries. कुछ quick fire, ये simple होने चाहिए. Favorite food?
Ice cream.
Favorite drink?
Bunny.
Favorite color?
Pink.
Favorite day?
Sunday.
Favorite pet?
Cats.
Star Wars versus Star Trek?
Neither.
Johnny Depp versus Brad Pitt. इस पे neither नहीं आएगा, I can guarantee.
Brad Pitt, of course.
अच्छा, of course.
Yes.
Of course क्यों?
I don't know, because Brad Pitt, look at his fine chiseled face.
Nawaz Sharif versus Shehbaz Sharif.
Oh God, please don't ask me political. I have no idea.
Right? Twilight Saga versus Toy Story Saga.
Twilight Saga.
Zinat Aman or Marilyn Monroe?
Marilyn Monroe, because I know more about her.
सही. आज तक अपने ट्रैवल्स में आपकी ट्रैवल्स की भी बात करेंगे कि भाई कहाँ आप गई हैं, किस से मिली है, and we'd love to know more about of course the recent song जो कि जज जूल्स के साथ बात हुई थी, उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे. Stay tuned. This is ARG exclusive. Welcome back after the break. ARG exclusive में आज आप देख रहे हैं with myself, the brilliant, the princess of England and Pakistan, Princess Annie. अच्छा, आपको पता है कि Princess Middleton, जो 2011 की जो सबसे high profile शादी होने वाली है, वो Prince William and Middleton की है.
Absolutely.
आपके क्या इरादे हैं to get a finger ring?
And tie the knot? No plans. As of yet, until the near and far future.
कोई है आपकी जिंदगी में?
No, I'm single.
Oh, good for you.
Yes, single and very happy.
Achha, mashallah. I thought you were going to say ready to mingle.
No, I mingle, but with the right people. I don't want to mention that.
आपकी image personally, पहले you know एक थोड़ी देसी भी image थी. अब आपकी image, you know, it's rock and roll. It's out there. It's black. Image is important for an artist. आपकी अब ये image क्यों है?
Yeah, I think image important होती है because एक characteristic होता है जिससे आपकी audience आपको identify करती है.
बिल्कुल.
And I think so इसलिए वो important होता है. लेकिन I don't think इतना भी important है जितना अब हो गया है. You know, I think अब तो एक बहुत ही integral part of आपका जो as a whole package आपका जो भी आप हैं It's a really important part. People really now not only do they want to listen to your music, वो देखना चाहते हैं कि आपने बाल कैसे बनाए हुए हैं, you know, एक fascination होती है.
I mean, let's be honest.
Very natural.
Atif Aslam is truly talented. लेकिन अगर उनकी शक्ल जॉनी लीवर की तरह होती, maybe he wouldn't have been that successful.
Yeah.
Maybe he's a good-looking guy.
Yeah, and you know, and दुनिया बहुत ही superficial है, unfortunately. और you know, आजकल तो it's all about face value, how you look. How you dress,
absolutely,
you know,
absolutely.
and maybe it's, I don't know if it's a good thing. I don't think it's a good thing. लेकिन एक reality है. You
Absolutely,
have to face that.
absolutely.
So as far as मेरा image है, you know, I have definitely changed. पहले था थोड़ा सा because I was skeptical जब माहिया शुरू किया था. मुझे नहीं पता था कि reaction audience से क्या मिलनी है because मैं यहाँ की लड़की नहीं हूँ. I'm from England. तो I used to play it safe, you know. Long skirts and all of that.
सही.
But now, जो audience है, I think, माशाल्लाह से, and by the grace of God, वो मुझे जानने लगी. They know कि मैं कैसी हूँ, मेरी personality, मेरी nature. I think मेरे fans के साथ मेरी बहुत अच्छी ना एक I have a very, you know, good understanding with them. So now I'm able to experiment, and I know that they won't mind, and they won't, you know, they right now. Interaction बहुत है through my website, through my Facebook pages, through Twitter, and I know that, you know, they're loving it, they're liking the new look and they're enjoying it. But I think Amar Bilal, I'll say it on TV, is to credit mostly for everything because not only is he a good friend, but he dresses me up and makes me look this good.
Shoes के कितने pairs हैं आपके पास?
Oh my God, did you have to ask me that question? I don't know. You have no idea how many shoes I have.
Is it?
Yeah, I spend most of my money on my shoes.
थोड़ी बात करते हैं about the lyrics, जो lyrical content होता है, जो बोल होते हैं एक गाने के.
Yeah.
I've noticed कि Western culture में जो fire, जो आग का concept है, जैसे Babyface का एक गाना था, I'm on fire.
Yeah.
In fact, मैंने Eminem का एक गाना सुना recently, and he says कि if you try to leave the house again, I'll tie you to the bed and set
this house on fire.
Now, ये थोड़ा, I mean, that's आपकी गाना, even in Mahi, I always set myself on fire?
No, I didn't say that. I said, Mahia, your eyes set my soul on fire.
Achha, sorry. What's this concept with fire? क्यों? आग क्यों?
Aag, passion hai, you know, and I'm an Aries, and you know, my star sign, we're associated with the planet Mars.
Sahi.
Mars is all about fire. It's hot, and
Sahi.
you know, it's ambitious, and I think jo fire hoti hai for me, you know, fire always gets me excited. I'm one of those people that, you know, I'm like a bushfire. Once I start something, I'm pretty much unstoppable. And I think I use those kinds of words in my lyrics as well.
Sorry.
They just definitely reflect my personality. And fire, if you think about it, in a romantic sense, it's very, it's so robust and it's so full of passion, you know? It's just so alive. And that's what fire is.
So speaking of fire, you are watching ARG TV, you know that, right?
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
So who am I to say? I'm also, देखिए आपके जो अभी तक travels हुए हैं, आप इतनी जगहों पे गई माशाल्लाह, इतनी आपने दुनिया देखी इस अपने प्रोफेशन की वजह से. कुछ बताएं उनके बारे में, किस किस से मिली, कहाँ गई, the places you love इस world में कौन सी हैं?
Oh God, I've traveled to so many countries, mashallah, through my music, and I think this, by the grace of Allah, you know, एक opportunity मिली, and through which I could do so much. मुझे इंडिया में बहुत मज़ा आया. मुझे सिंगापुर बहुत ज़बरदस्त लगा. ग्रीस में मुझे नहीं पता था कि कोई पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी होती भी है.
सही.
So ग्रीस जाके एक बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज था जब मैंने realize किया कि, you know, there's so many Pakistanis. So Greece was good. Obviously there's America, then there's, you know, there's I went to Spain recently, और वहाँ पे perform किया in Ibiza, that was amazing. I've pretty much been to most places, except Australia. I haven't been yet. I want to go Australia.
Same.
But I think करके की जो best मुझे जगह लगती है पूरी दुनिया में वो फैसलाबाद है.
अच्छा, wow. आपको जो admirers हैं आपको obviously number out हो जाता है, आपको calls भी आती हैं अपने admirers से. उनको आप किस तरह deal करती हैं? क्या you're like, go away, I don't want to talk to you?
No, I wouldn't do that. What if I called up Britney Spears, you know, as a fan, and she said to me, "Go away, I don't want to talk to you"? How would I feel? You know, I'd be sad. So I know I don't do that.
Let's do an example. ठीक है? First करें आपको एक call आई, right? And we'll do two examples here.
Please don't call someone for real.
नहीं. आपकी ringtone बज रही है. Yeah, you're enjoying it. अभी तक phone नहीं देखा है आपने, ठीक है? You see the phone, and you don't know who it is, ठीक है? You pick up the phone, it's like, hello.
Oh, am I supposed to speak?
Yes, yes.
Oh, hello. Hello. Hold on. Hello.
हेलो जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
एनी खालिद बात कर रही हैं?
आप कौन बोल रहे हैं?
एनी जी, आपसे हमको इतना प्यार है, आप यकीन माने, आपकी हमने आवाज़ सुनी टीवी और रेडियो के अलावा भी, ये हमारी खुशकिस्मती है।
Oh, thank you so much.
Annie, I want to do friendship with you. Will you do friendship with me?
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Listen, I'm kind of busy right now, but is it okay
please,
if we
Annie,
talk later on?
नहीं, Annie, please, ये फोन ना बंद कीजिएगा, नहीं तो मैं अपनी रिस्ट्स काट दूंगा।
I'm so sorry right now. चलें आप बात करें, आप कैसे हैं? आप ठीक हैं? आपका नाम क्या है?
आपसे हमको प्यार है।
आप
हमें मिले, नहीं तो मैं अपनी जान दे दूंगा।
Hello. Hello.
मैं-
Hello.
मैं-
Hello. Hello.
Annie,
Hello.
Annie, Annie, Annie. I was very well handled, in fact.
So much. Blame it on the signals.
अच्छा, आप हाँ, Be My Baby with Judge Jules, जो कि एक बहुत established artist हैं।
Yeah.
Be My Baby आप टारगेट कर रही हैं पाकिस्तानी ऑडियंस को या आप टारगेट कर रही हैं अपने यूके ऑडियंस?
दोनों को।
अच्छा सर।
जैसे मैंने आपको पहले कहा था, बिकॉज ड्यूल नेशनैलिटी की वजह से एक ब्रिज क्रिएट होता है जिसके थ्रू वहाँ की जो कम्युनिटी है वो they can understand us better and we can understand them.
बिल्कुल।
And I think I'm half and half. So जब जूल्स का ये जो गाना रिलीज हुआ था, इसके साथ एक रेडियो टूर, ऑब्वियसली प्रमोशनल एक्टिविटी जितनी भी होती है वो की थी इंग्लैंड में। And I remember जब मैं रेडियो टूर पे गई थी, we started off in Scotland and we worked all the way down to England.
I've been seeing dreams of you next to me, being the one that's always on your mind, 'cause I can be your baby when the world is sleeping. We can daydream, you and me, and I can be that someone you rely on, standing right beside you, hand in hand. Say that you love me, say that you love me. Will you be my man, baby? Will you be my man, baby? Say that you love me, say that you love me. Wanna make you mine, gonna make you mine.
जैसे ये वीडियो स्पेन में शूट हुआ, एक क्लब में शूट हुआ। डू यू थिंक कि जो पाकिस्तानी ऑडियंसेस हैं
Yes.
वो इसके साथ रिलेट कर सकती हैं कि आप क्लब में या विद डीजे अजीब अजीब किस्म के लोग हैं जो एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, पाकिस्तानी ऑडियंसेस रिलेट कर सकते हैं इसके साथ?
I think with that specific जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हैं ना, जो remix वाली
जी,
वीडियो
जी,
है,
बिल्कुल।
I think less, let's be honest, इतना नहीं, because यहाँ पे वो पार्टी सीन नहीं, हालांकि है यहाँ पे पार्टी सीन होता है, but वो वाला उस इंटेंसिटी तक नहीं है।
ओरिजिनल की बात करते हैं, आप एक
जी।
लॉन्ड्रेट में
Yeah,
जाती हैं
yeah.
जहाँ एक साहब बैठे हुए हैं, आप अपने कपड़े डालती हैं धोने को, उनके भी कपड़े धुल रहे हैं। मैं किसी धोबी के पास जाऊँ, मुझे आप जैसी खातून उधर बैठी नहीं मिलेंगी। How can I relate to
नहीं,
that?
आप कर सकते हैं, देखिए on your own mental level, वो एक
यानी I'm just
laundrette-
thinking about it.
आप
धोबी
सोचो-
के पास
नहीं,
बैठे।
अच्छा ठीक है, वहाँ यहाँ पे इतने लॉन्ड्रेट का वो इतना नहीं होता, लेकिन आप धोबी, जैसे आपने कहा धोबी, आप धोबी के पास जाते हैं, वहाँ पे एक लड़की आपको मिलती है, उसने अपने कपड़े अगर पीछे बाय मिस्टेक छोड़ दिए हैं और आपको वो पसंद आ जाती है, आप ऑब्वियसली आप स्माइल करोगे, आप कोशिश करोगे से, और हो सकता है आप अपने कपड़े भी लेके पकड़ के आप भागो उसके पीछे, जैसे like David did in the video, he was running after me, and you can to your own level you can match that.
I love that. हमारे पास है जी the lovely Annie Khalid here in her house. हम इनके घर आए, उन्होंने इनवाइट किया, इनकी मेहरबानी। Stay tuned, लौट के आएंगे, we're gonna have some final words with Annie. वेलकम बैक। हमारे पास हैं कुछ फाइनल क्वेश्चंस फॉर द ब्रिलियंट एनी खालिद, जिनके पास हम बैठे हुए हैं। एनी, आपके जो बाल हैं माशाल्लाह, वो एक बड़ा ही आपका जो आइकॉनिक जो लुक में है, बहुत आइकॉनिक है। व्हाट अदर फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट डू यू थिंक लोग नोटिस करते हैं आपकी बिसाइड्स द हेयर?
I think instantly बाल है सिर्फ। अभी obviously मैं सिर्फ ये कह सकती हूँ कि बाल हैं, बालों से लोग मुझे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं।
सही। एनी खालिद के पास सब कुछ है, राइट? एनी खालिद के पास खूबसूरत बाल है, खूबसूरत आंखें, एक अच्छा करियर है, एक डिसेंट वॉइस है। व्हाट इज इट जो कि एनी खालिद के पास नहीं है? आई रिपीट द क्वेश्चन, ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो कि एनी खालिद के पास नहीं है?
एनी खालिद के पास
कुछ भी नहीं है सर, जो नहीं।
हाँ नहीं, ऐसा कुछ I don't know, I'm lucky माशाल्लाह।
माशाल्लाह।
और मैंने कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि मेरे पास क्या नहीं है, मैं हमेशा ये सोचती हूँ कि मेरे पास क्या है।
Okay, okay. So the glass is half full in the end.
Absolutely.
अगर हॉलीवुड में आपके बारे में एक मूवी बने, आपकी लाइफ के बारे में, आप कौन चाहेंगी कि लीड कैरेक्टर प्ले करे?
हॉलीवुड में कहीं और की एक्ट्रेस हो सकती है?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
करीना कपूर.
Oh, there you go. इसके अलावा पाकिस्तान में फाइनली जो पाकिस्तान में आप किस तरह म्यूजिक को डेवलप होते हुए देखती हैं, स्पेशली जो आपका जॉनर है म्यूजिक, पॉप म्यूजिक, कमर्शियल म्यूजिक?
कमर्शियल म्यूजिक मैं देख रही हूँ कि बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट अब आ रहे हैं, नए आर्टिस्ट आ रहे हैं. I think that's the only way that music change होगा and develop और होगा. is कुछ genres हैं जो अभी unexplored हैं. अभी आप off the camera grunge music की बात कर रहे थे, वो तो बिल्कुल ही I don't know if that would ever be accepted.
बिल्कुल.
But we just need people जो ये जो unexplored territories हैं इनको भी explore करें. इस तरह हमारा जो music जो हमारा जो whatever you want to call it variety जो है वो बढ़ेगी. People will get more of an understanding.
But अभी जो basically मैं जो पूछ रहा हूँ कि अभी जो social हालात है पाकिस्तान के, जो political turmoil है, जो social turmoil है, इसके दरमियान I mean music जो कि एक art है, dispute हो सकता है कि whether ये this is against religion, it's for religion, in a place like Pakistan, जहाँ we have so many issues like these.
Yeah, well, I understand कि हम हैं Pakistan, where Pakistan is an Islamic republic, and obviously हर artist, musician को इस चीज़ का पता है, and I think we stay in our limits with our music, obviously, as you can see. But this is a question जो I wouldn't really want to answer because there's so many dimensions, or I'm trying to be as politically correct as possible. I don't want to offend anyone, so it's best I don't answer.
Okay. Finally, Annie, what does music mean to you? आपके लिए music क्या है?
Music मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ है. Music is, I mean, हर बंदा कहता है music is my life, and I think for me it's more than my life. It's actually it's my anti-drug, it's what makes me feel better. When I'm in a bad mood, it lifts my spirits. When I'm in a good mood, it enhances my mood, makes me even more happier. Music is just one of those things that gets me through all the good and all the bad and everything in between.
Finally, आपके कुछ shows भी lined up है, कहाँ play करने जा रही हैं, क्या plan है आपका?
Down the week we've got a couple of shows, and then towards the end of the month we have a couple of shows outside of Lahore. And I'm doing a couple of shows abroad next month.
Okay.
So and then I'm going to go to England as well.
Oh,
so I can't wait.
Brilliant. हम आपको wish करते हैं the best of luck for your career, your future, mashallah, for your hair. and for your new look, हम आपको wish करते हैं the best, and of course यही कि भाई हम कुछ बहुत अच्छा music बनता रहे in Pakistan, someone जो कि पाकिस्तान को represent कर रहा है आपकी तरह, सिर्फ पाकिस्तान में नहीं बल्कि पाकिस्तान से बाहर.
बिल्कुल, इंशाल्लाह. Thank you so much.
That's really नहीं, thank you कि आपने हमें invite किया.
Thank you, and tell Ali Safina I said hi. I like him.
Hey Ali. It was lovely. Thank you so much for watching. Inshallah ta'ala aapse jald mulaqat hogi with a brand new guest. This is of course AAG exclusive. My name is Shehzad. Till next time, apna acha sa khayal rakhiyega. Rock and roll.